So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can reset your YouTube feed if you are facing some issues of with your YouTube feed and you want to reset the content that are displaying on your feed. You can simply do that by this process. Multiple people might have some different reasons for doing this. They might have been not satisfied with their feed. As you know, the YouTube algorithm works with some particular function in which the feed has been already set it for you with the content you watch, and if you want to reset it, you can do that as well. So in order to reset the YouTube feed, all you have to do is to then simply go to your YouTube. You can do the same process on your smartphone as well. Just simply go to the any browser and open the YouTube website. When you go there, you have to just simply go to the option of history at the top, at the left window. When you go there, you can see the history page has been opened, where all your collected data of the content that you consumes are available for YouTube, from where YouTube sets your feed. So in order to delete all in order to reset your feed, just simply click on the button of clear all watch history at the right corner. You can see it just right there. When you click on this option, your collected data for YouTube's history has been deleted and your feed has been resetted, and it will display some fresh content for you that you might have been interesting for you. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.